You don't like class. Can't stand class, can you? 1959, you can't stand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a band I very much love. And I mean that in the truest sense of the word. A band who have brought jollity, happiness, and a certain amount of gaiety to the world. People who can pluck their strings, and yours. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tom Robinson Band. You better clap, or else you'll get it.
Best in the world. I don't believe one of these stories I've heard about them raiding our pubs for no reason at all, lining the customers up by the wall, picking out people, knocking them down, resisting arrest as they're kicked on the ground, searching their houses, calling them queer. I don't believe that sort of thing happens here. To be gay, sing if you're happy that way. Pictures of naked young women are fun in Penthouse and Playboy, page 3 of the Sun. There's no news in gay news or one magazine, but they still found excuses to call it obscene. Read how disgusting we are in the press, the Telegraph people, Sunday Express, molesters of children, corrupters of youth. It's there in the paper, it must be the truth. Try and say if you're glad to be gay, if you're happy that way. Hey, sing if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're happy that way. Try to kid us that if you're discreet, you're perfectly safe as you walk down the street. You don't have to mince or make bitchy remarks to get beaten unconscious and left in the dark. I had a friend who was gentle and short. It was only one evening he went for a walk. Queer bastards caught him, kicked in his teeth. Was only hospitalized for a week, and he still bears scars. Sing if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're happy that way. Sing if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're happy that way. And sit back and watch as they close down our clubs, arrest us for meeting and smash up our pubs. Make sure your boyfriend's at least 21. And if you're a lesbian, don't be a mum. Lie to your workmates, lie to your folks. Put down the Queen's Health, anti-queer jokes. Gay lives ridiculous, join their laughter. The buggers are legal now. What more are they after? Yeah, try and say if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're happy that way. Say if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're happy that way. Say if you're glad to be gay, sing if you're school kids, vicious and suspicious 16, just like places at the bus stop, dull and unhealthy and mean. Teenage gorillas on the tarmac, fighting in the middle of the road. Supercharged figures on the asphalt, the kids are coming in from the cold. Look out, listen, can you hear it? Panic in the county hall. Look out, listen, can you hear it? Whitehall, up against the wall. Up against the wall. Up against the wall. My wife fencing on the playground. High-rise housing all around. High-rise prices in the high street. High down to put it all down. Five boys singing in the window. Gradually gone. Never trust a copper in a crime car. Said just who's starting you up. Look out, listen, can you hear it? Panic in the county hall. Look out, listen, can you hear it? Whitehall, up against the wall. Up against the wall. Consternation in Mayfair, rioting in Notting Hill Gate, fascists marching on the high street, carving up the welfare state. Operator, get me the hotline. Said, Father, can you hear me at all? Telephone kiosk out of order, break hand writing on the wall. And look now, listen, can you hear it? Panic in the county hall. Look now, listen, can you hear it? Whitehall, up against the wall. I said, look now, listen, can you hear it? Panic in the county hall. Look now, listen, can you hear it? Whitehall, up against the wall. Up against the wall. Up against the wall. Up against the wall.